What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what we're going to do today, we're going to go over Friday's game plan, the last day of the week. You already know, but don't get faked out. We got one more data drop tomorrow morning that will rock the markets. You got PCE at 8:30, guys. This drama would already been the drop before the market opens up. What we just need to do is sit back, wait for a clear direction, and then we get after it. You already know. Newbies, beginners, y'all come on up. I got a couple for you right out of the gate. We got PLTR. As you see, had a nice little run up today. They ran up to 81.80. They're sitting at 81.25 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 81.40. If they can do that, they're going to run back to those highs at 81.80 before they start headed to 82, 82.10, 82.25. On the downside, if you are a bear, you want to see them open lower than 80.90. If they can start doing that, you got this stuff down in here at 80.64. Next level down is going to be 80.25. They lose that right there. You got this stuff in here at 79.80, and then boom, you got 79.30. Next level down, they're going to try to run it down to this stuff here, 78.70. Next level down, boom, 78.20, and then heavy level at 77.80. They get it down to that level, which I don't see happening, but if they do, expect the bulls to be hanging out right there. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol SMCI. Pay attention to this one. This one is booming right now. It's been running up 28.90 since they started way down here. I had got a little trend line down here. As you see, they got smacked. The bears can't get them past 27.60. They came down to that level. They got smacked, ran it back up. They came down to that level, got smacked, ran it back up, so forth. Came down to that level, boom, ran that thing up. That level is strong until it's not. So they're sitting at 28.90. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 29.10. If they can do that, they're going to run this thing. You got next level up, boom, you got 29.85 on deck. Next level, boom, you got 30.40. Next level, boom, 30.90. And check this one out. Boom, you got 31.60 to the upside. This one, we already done seen what they can do. If they can start running this thing up much higher, we'll sit back, we'll wait for them to make their direction, and we'll get on them. But to the downside, we want to see them open lower than 28.40. They can do that. You got this level down here, 28.30. Next level down is this stuff in here at 27.90, and then boom, they're going to try to shoot their shot to this 27.60 area. There you go. And that one right there. Big ballers, shot callers, y'all come up to the table. Got a couple for you guys because the big dogs is the ones that's moving the tape and making the market move. First one out of the gate, we're going to show some love to Nvidia today. Had a few questions about Nvidia, about buying calls or buying puts. Right now, guys, if you're thinking about buying, think of your portfolio, your long term. If you want to buy shares, yes, good price to buy shares. You can probably get it a little better. 118, 116. I do think that this got some pullback that it's trying to do. They're currently sitting at 123.20. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 123.70. If they can do that, next level up, boom, you got 124.90. They break through that one, boom, you got 126.90 on deck. Next level up is going to be 128.30. To the downside, what you want to see 121.90 get taken out. If they can take out 121.90, next level down, boom, you got 120.90. Next level down after that is this stuff in here, 119.10, and then next level, boom, you got 118.10. They lose that right there, they're going to come down. You're going to start seeing that level I just mentioned, the 116 area. But if you see them get to this area right here, if you see them start consolidating over here tomorrow, already know that's going to produce a double bottom, and expect the bulls to react right there. And if they don't react, they coming down lower. That double bottom is invalidated once the bear start closing under 118.05. There you go in that ticker. But guys, again, you can buy calls if you want to. Make sure you got extended dates on there. If you plan the 1 week contract in Nvidia still have room to come back down. So if you plan that 1 week contract, then make sure you know when to take profit, or you taking profit along the way. That's my advice there. Next ticker up is gonna be the SPY, sitting at 605.10 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 605.60. If they can do that, boom, you got 606.30. Next level up is going to be 606.90. They break through that, you got this level right here, 607.10. Next level after that is 607.50. We'll handle in real time once they start breaking through those levels right there. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 604.60. If they can do that, next level down, 604.10. They break through that, boom, you got 602.90. Then they're going to start trying to shoot their shot. They start breaking through, you got 602.30, and then turbulence at 602.10. They lose that, boom, you coming back down to 600.74. We'll handle in real time once they start going lower than that right there. But you see what SPY did? They hit this, my area of interest down here, and they boom that thing, almost 607. There you go. And the SPY, next ticker up, we're going to throw AVGO. Guys, I put a play out there on this one right here, and this one went after it. They ran this thing all the way to almost 222. They started at 216.20. They ran that thing up. That's a $6 move. Guys, again, I think that this is a long-term hold. I think that this is one that's going to go a lot higher than where it's at right now. They're still closing good. I would have liked to see them close at 217 or higher today, but you know, we had that pullback at market close, but then they tried to make their way back up. But you want to see them close 217.90 through 219. That gives that strong look that they ready to really push. But I do like 215.10, and let's see where they open up at tomorrow. But if you are a bull, you like to see them open somewhere around 217.10, somewhere in that area. Next level up, boom, they're going to run it to 219.45. Next level after that, 221.10. Then they're going to shoot their shot. You got 223.10. Next level, boom, you got 225.70. They break through that one. Next level up, 229.20. Next level after that, you got 231. We'll handle in real time once they start smacking through there, because I think once they get going, they can boom this thing all the way up to this 239, 240 area. This is something that's going to play out over time. This ain't nothing that they're going to do tomorrow or the next day. They're going to slow melt. That's why I wanted to see them close higher than 217, preferably 219. That way, that gives me that confirmation that they're going to slow melt this thing up to that 240s. But hey, you be patient. We sit back and we just enjoy the trip. Move those stop losses up, maximizing profits along the way. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 213.70. If they can do that right there, they're going to try to smack this thing all the way back down to 207.10. Next level down, you got 204.60. Then these bottoms here at 202.90. There you go in that play right there. Last but not least, guys, we're going to throw Tesla on there. Tesla sitting at 401.20. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 402.60. If they can do that right there, boom, they're going to run this thing back to 408.05. Next level up is going to be that heavy level at 411.20. Next level up is another heavy level at 415.20. They can break through there. They're going to start running this thing. You got 420.20 on deck. Next level up, 425.90. Next level after that is boom, you got a good run up. They're going to try to push that thing up to that 439 area. Level to level in there. I'll call out those levels in real time once they start taking out, but that's the bulls' target. They want to get going. On the downside, you want to see them open lower than 397.75. If they can do that right there, you got 395.70-ish. Next level down, boom, you got 390.85. After that, you got 387.25. And then last level, boom, you got 382.50s. Guys, we walked Tesla down today. Tesla was a nice run up. That's it with Tesla. But again, shout out to you guys that was able to follow the play, understand the assignment, and dominate the mission. I had a play in the Discord. You see Tiger walking down something, you already know we just smacked the SPY. But Tesla, bulls bounce this at that double bottom. I called out that it was a double bottom coming up. For now, to continue to push up, next target is trying to hold 397.70. Doing that, you got 398.65, 399.40, 400.60. Heavy level. Bulls can rock it from there. And if you see Tiger walking that thing down, you already know we knocking this thing out of the ballpark. We walking it down. SPY, that's Tiger knocking his hat down. You already know it was a home run. We just knocked it out. Here we go with Tesla. We walking it down. If bulls can run this and hold 403.60, now you remember those levels I just gave out. We done cleared all those levels. Anytime you see Tiger throwing his hat down, we done conquered those levels already. But now we're sitting close to like 402. We done passed that 400.60. If bulls can run this and hold 403.60, then 405.90 is up, and followed by 410.50. You see Tiger smacking that hat down, we already moving that thing. Boom. Who else calling darts and throwing darts out like this? You already know it's your boy D Fresh in the house. And if you see right here where we at, I think we ran that thing. Tesla, bulls need to stay above 405.90 to keep this thing going. Ran that thing up to 409.10 before they start sliding this thing back. And guys, that's why I give you guys level to consider. You keep going up to those levels. Once we smack one of those levels out that I called out, you raising that stop loss up to coincide with that level right there. That way you maximize all that profit that we took this thing from 397, 395, I think it was, all the way to 409. You raise every time we smack a level out, you raising that stop loss up. That way you preserve profit. You ain't letting that thing come back and get you. And that's exactly what we did. We ran that thing up. They kept booming that thing up. Shout out to you guys that was able to catch that play and make some money on it. I'm super proud of you guys. I seen a lot of different plays that y'all posted that y'all made money on. I'm happy. Keep grinding. Keep up the good work. To you guys that's watching, that's not in the Discord, get in the Discord. That way you got full access of my morning call outs as well as technical analysis breakdown on the top plays throughout the session. But guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.